Okay, good morning everyone. Today we'll continue the lesson. Today we are going to discuss sine magnitude, ones complement and two's complement. Bit difficult part, and you haven't learned it in the O level even, right? So it's a new thing. Okay, write down the topic. Write down the topic. Sine magnitude. Sine magnitude. That is the topic. SIGN, sine magnitude. Under that, write down the sine and magnitude method is commonly an 8-bit system. Commonly an 8-bit system commonly an 8-bit system that uses the most significant bit that is MSB, most significant bit, to indicate a positive or negative value. By convention, a zero in this position indicates that the number given by the remaining 7 bits is positive and a more significant bit of 1 indicates that the number is negative. This interpretation makes it possible to create a value of negative 0. Create a value of negative 0. Okay. Now look at here. Now in this sign magnitude, here, when you are representing the data, suppose I want to display positive 15, right? So when you take positive 15, if I convert it to binary, your value 1111, right? Then I have to make it 8 bits. Usually we are using 8 bits to keep or to represent these values. So I am using another 3 bits, and the last bit, this is called sign bit. This is called sign bit. So we have 8 bit here. Bit attack method තිබ්බට අපිට value එක represent කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ only 7 bits. Bits 7කින් තමයි value එක represent කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. First value we take it as sign bit. මේකෙන් value එකක් පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ. මේකෙන් කියන්නේ sign එක. Whether it's positive or negative. දැන් example එකක් ගත්තොත් positive කියන්නේ 0, plus කියන්නේ that's positive plus 0. 1 දැම්මොත් ඒක අපි කියන්නේ negative කියලා. Right? So I am representing positive 15 here. Positive 15 නිසා මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේක 0 දාලා මේක කියලා this is binary. Now you know how to convert binary to decimal, decimal to binary, that we have done. So මේක this is the 15 value, and we have, because we are representing with 8 bit data key, and the last bit, first bit is representing the sign. දැන් මං කිව්වා නම් එහෙම -15 පෙන්නන්න කියලා. -15. How to convert that? 1111, that is binary value. 000. This is 1. This is called sign bit again. Now may 1 එකෙන් කියන්නේ sign bit එක, because it's a negative. In a positive 15, this is negative 50, right? So in this system, you can represent value from now you have 7 bits bit 7යි තියෙන්නේ. Bit 7යි කියන්නේ you can represent, if you put all ones, දැම්මොත් එහෙම 127 එනවා. මෙතන 1 දාලා මේ ඔක්කොම 1 දැම්මොත් 827, but it is negative. එහෙනම් ඔයාගේ range එක තියෙන්නේ, your range from positive 127 to negative 127, that is the range. If you are using 8 bit attack use කරනවා නම් මේක තමයි අපේ range එක. මේ අතර value එකක් තමයි අපිට represent කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඊළඟට මේකේ වැදගත්ම දේ, we can represent positive and negative 0 both. ඒක කොහොමද, how it happen? මම ලියුවොත් එහෙම 0, I will write here 0 කියන එක අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් ඔහොම 0 attack. This is sign bit. Sign bit එක 0 දාපුවාම that is positive 0. Negative 0 කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේක 1 දාලා ඊටු ටික. So this is also sign bit. If you put 0 for the sign bit, it's a positive 0. If you put 1 as a sign bit and the value is 0, so it is negative 0. So with this magnitude, sign magnitude, you can represent positive and negative 0 both, right? I think you can understand that one. Anything you can ask. Okay, take it down. First put this example 15 thing and negative also 15. Then write down this range. You can represent 127 positive to 127 negative with this numbers magnitude sign magnitude. And you can put this one also, that is positive 0 and negative 0 also can be represented. Okay, take it down quickly. Okay, I will give you some questions from that part. Write down like this. Write down like this. Represent following values. Represent following values. Using 8-bit. Using 8-bit. Using 8-bit. sign magnitude method using 8-bit sign magnitude method. I'm giving a few. I have given 5 questions. Take them down and quickly send me the answers through the chat. So you have to represent these numbers with 8-bit sign magnitude. 8-bit sign magnitude. Okay, we'll start quickly. Right? This is the answers. Now here 12. 12 you can represent 1100. That is the binary value. So you have to convert it to 8 bits. The first bit should be what? It is positive. So you have to put the first bit, MSB, most significant bit, as 0. This is the sign bit. So this is the answer. Check your answers. Right? Most of you have put the correct answer. 25 even you can represent, it is minus, so you have to put 1. That is the other thing is converting it to binary. Yeah, this is the answer, right? So this is negative. This is minus 25. So it's a minus 25. So 25 you can represent with 11001, right? So you have to make it negative. So you have to put 1 here. Is negative, minus 25. Then the third one, 7, that is positive. So positive means side bit is 0. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Yes. Suddenly check your answers. You have to this bit all the time. This bit is sign bit. You have to change it according to whether it's a positive or negative. You have to put either 0 or 1. You to get that, Suddenly. තේරුණා සෙන්දියක? Right? So here should be either 0 or 1. That is the first bit should be 0 or 1. So minus 18. 18 you can represent 10010. Right? But you have to put 1 here to make it negative, because it's negative value, right? So last one, minus 9. Minus 9 you can represent 1001, right? But it is negative, you have to put 1. So all the time this is called sign bit. Sign bit you have to put either 0 or 1 according to your value. If it is positive you have to put 0. Now here, if it is negative you have to put 1. Other 7 bit only represent the value. අනිත් bit හතෙන් තමයි value එක පෙන්නන්නේ. මේ පළවෙනි එකෙන් හැම වෙලේම කියන්නේ sign එක, sign bit එක. Right? Shannon, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? Now make sure you put either 0 or 1 according to the value. දැන් මේ 1 හා බිඳුව දාන්න ඕනේ මෙතන මේ value එකත් එක්ක. Right? උකට ඍණ නම් අපි 1 දානවා, ධන නම් අපි බිඳුව දානවා. අනිත් හතෙන් තමයි අපි value එක represent කරන්නේ හැම වෙලේම. ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. Right? Okay, we go to another topic. Write down another topic. one's complement. All right, like this. One's complement. So we can write like this even. One's, one's complement. So that is another method. Now this is sign magnitude method. This is another method. Don't misunderstand. There write down. In one's complement, positive numbers are represented. Positive numbers are represented as usual in regular binary. As usual in regular binary. However, negative numbers are represented differently. To represent negative numbers, replace all zeros with ones and ones with zero. That means flipping the bits. In this ones complement also, we have two ways of representing of positive zero and negative zeros. Positive zero and negative zeros. Okay, look at here carefully. Try to understand. This is one's complement. ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපි කතා කරේ sin magnitude ඒක ගැන ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒකත් එක්ක මේ confuse කරගන්න එපා. That is another method. Now in the exam even if you are getting a question ඔයාලට කියනවා හරි මෙන්න මේක value එක sin magnitude එක represent කරන්න. මේක ones complement මේක twos complement කියලා කියනවා. ඒ කියන method එකටයි ඔයාලා represent කරන්නේ. So this is another method of representing the value. This is called ones complement. So ones complement එකේ if you get a positive value. Now this one also you are using 8 bit. Bit අටක් තමයි මේකෙදි use කරන්නේ. Right? එතකොට මං කිව්වොත් එහෙනම් positive 12 කියන එක පෙන්නන්න කියලා. දැන් අපි දන්නවනේ binary කරන්න. So just we are just representing as a just binary number. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි bit 8කින් නිසා හොදාගත්තා. ඕක තමයි positive 12 කියන්නේ. එතකොට මෙතන 0 එක වෙනස් කරන්න 1 එක වෙනස් කරන්න ඒව මුකුත් කතාවක් නැහැ. If it is a positive නම් මේ විදිහට තමයි ලියන්නේ. සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට ලියන sin magnitude එකේ කරපු විදිහම තමයි. But don't worry about that. Don't forget that part. sin magnitude එක පොඩක් අමතක කරලා දාන්න. නැත්නම් පැටලෙයි. ඔයා නිකන් මෙහෙම ලියනවා. So 12 is like this 1100. ඔයා ඉස්සරහට බිංදුව 4ක් දාලා you make it to 8 bit. If you get -12 -12 එක આવොත් එහෙම represent කරන්න කියලා අපි දැන් 12 එක මෙහෙම ලියා ගන්න. මේක අමතක කරන්නකො මේක අමතක කරන්න. 12 එක ඔහොම ලියා ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ we are replacing zeros with ones and ones with zero. That means flipping the bit. Flipping the bit කියන්නේ මොකද? මෙතන 0 වෙනකොට අපි ලියන්නේ 1. මෙතනත් 1. 1 1. මේ zeros 1 දෙකට 0 0. ආයි මේ zeros දෙකට 1 1. ඔන්න ඕක තමයි අපේ ones complement value. If you get the minus value මුලින්ම positive value එක හොයාගත්තා normal value එක හොයාගත්තා ඊළඟට bit ටික අනිත් පැත්ත හැරෙවුවා zeros become 1 ones become 0. So this is your answer. I think you got that. Take it down quickly. While you are writing, I will take another example. -5. -5. So I have to first find out the positive 5. ඔන්න මම positive 5 එක හොයාගත්තා. දැන් මේක අනිත් පැත්ත හරවන්න ඕන. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is in ones complement. Positive එක හොයාගෙන අනිත් පැත්ත හරවන්න. If it is only positive නම් නිකම් මේක ලියලා දෙනවා. You don't flip the bits. Negative වෙච්ච ගමන් positive එක හොයලා අනිත් පැත්ත හරවන එකයි කරන්නේ. So that take down those two examples. Okay, I will give some Questions? Try to represent these things with the ones complement. 15. 15 means positive. I'm not mentioning the plus. Minus 70 minus 28, that is positive, minus 24, minus 24. Okay, try to find out the ones complement for these things and send me the answer. Everyone have to send me the answers, then only I can understand whether you got that. If you have any problem, if you can't understand, ask me. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ ටික කරලා answers ටික දාන්න, then I can understand whether you got it or not. Okay, do it. Okay. Now here 15. 15 is positive value. So you don't want to flip the bit. Just represent as a binary value 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is the answer. Right? So you are not going to flip them. Don't flip them. Just keep it. 17. 17 I will write the positive value first. No need to write the positive value. මම මේක කරන්න අර ඔයගලන්ට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන නිසා positive value එක මම ලිව්වොත් එහෙම මෙහෙමනේ එන්නේ. කොහොමද? Oh. 17 no mind. You have to flip the bits now. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Harshada, තේරුණාද ඒක?
Also,
So minus 20. Minus 20 again. First you have to find out positive 20. Positive 20 මුලින්ම හොයාගන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ. Right? Positive 20 you have to find out like this. May positive 20 මම හොයාගත්තා. Right? Then you have to convert. Then තමයි flip කරන්න bits. So zeros become ones. Ones become zero. ඔන්න value එක. අර මේක හොයාගත්තට පස්සේ අනිත් පැත්ත හරවනවා. Very easy. 8. 8 කියන්නේ positive. You don't want to flip. නිකම්ම අපි binary කරලා ලියන්න. This is the answer. Total positive and this is positive value. You don't want to flip. ඒක නිකන් just you know how to take it to binary නේ. දෙකෙන් බෙදලා binary කරන එක. එතකොට මෙහෙම කරලා ලියන්න with the 8 bits. No need to flip. දැන් 24 කියන්නේ අපි හොයාගත්ත මෙහෙම. This is my positive value 24. Then you have to convert it other side. මම ඉස්සරහින් ලියන්න ඕන නැත්නම් පේන්නේ නැති වෙයි. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is the answer. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is the answer. Right? When you are converting to ones complement, if it is positive, don't do anything. මොකක්වත් කරන්න එපා. නිකන් just keep it as a binary value with the 8 bit. අපි bit 8කින් represent කරනවා කියන්නේ. If it is negative only, positive එක හොයලා අනිත් පැත්ත හැරෙමු. Positive එක හොයලා අනිත් පැත්ත හැරෙමු. Right? So that is the way. Okay, then write down the topic. Topic क्या लिया गया? One's complement addition. One's complement addition. One's complement addition. Addition. So we are going to add numbers by using the ones complement. Now we know how to add binary values, how to subtract binary. අපි ඒවා කතා කරලා තියෙන කාලේ. So here I am going to discuss ones complement addition. හිතන්නකෝ මෙහෙම එකක් දුන්නා කියලා. I am getting value 12 plus minus 5. 12 plus minus 5. So this is the value I have to use for the ones complement addition. Now first thing is converting them to ones complement. මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ ones complement වලට හදාගන්න. 12 කියන එක positive නේ. ඒ නිසා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මම මේ විදිහට දැම්මා. right? minus 5 එක එහෙනම් මට මොකද කරන්න වෙන්නේ? positive එක හොයාගත්තා. අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා negative එකත් හොයාගත්තා. ඔන්න මගේ දැන් values දෙක අරගෙන තියෙනවා. right? So I am writing here. දැන් මේක 12 කියන එක මම මෙතන ලියන්නම්. 12 එකට එන value එක 5 minus 5 එකට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන එක මම මෙතන ලියන්නම්. Now I have to add. අපි දන්නවා binary addition. 0 0 මෙතන 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 ආවොත් අපි මොකද ගන්න? You have to put 0 and you take 1 front. එකක් ඉස්සරහට යනවා. right? එහෙනම් මම ඒක ඉස්සරහට අරන් ගියාම ආයේ 1 1 මෙතන 2 වෙනවා 2 ආවම මෙතන 0. එකක් ඉස්සරහට යනවා. ඔන්න ඔක තමයි මගේ උත්තරය. right? So that is binary addition we have done. If you can't remember, you can check that video, see what I have uploaded that. අපව බලන්න අපි ගිය සතියේ කතා කරා. එතකොට මෙතන you can understand here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You got a 9 bit. 9 bit එකත් ඇවිල්ලා. right? So if you get a 9 bit, now here we are representing with 8 bit. මේක අපි represent කරන්නේ bit 8කින්. හැබැයි ඔයාට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා මෙතන bit 9. So you can't keep this value like this. What you have to do, you have to take this one. මෙන්න මේ 1 එක මෙහෙම මෙතනට අරගෙන එනවා. අරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා නැවත add කරනවා. So I am adding 1 0 1 1 නේ 1 here 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. So this is your value. This is your answer. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිකන් බැලුවොත් මේක පේනවා 12 plus minus 5 කියන්නේ 12න් ඇත්තටම ඍණ 5 කඩු වුණාම positive 7 දාන 7 එන්න ඕනේ. ඒක එනව නේද මෙතනදී බලන්න. මේ 0 ඕනේ මෙතන තියෙන. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක positive value එකක්. මේ binary value එකෙන් කියන්නේ that is 7. So you are getting the positive 7 here. So in this ones complement addition, if you get 9 bit, අපිට හැම වෙලේම 9 bit කියන එක එනවද? නැහැ. If you get 9 bit, you have to take it to the least significant bit. මේකට අපි කියන්නේ least significant bit නේ. We have discussed them. This is most significant bit. This is the least significant. So මේ වැඩිපුර ආපු එක you have to add to the least significant bit. අවසානයේ මේ least significant bit එකට add කරලා you have to take the value. So you have to represent with 8 bits. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ check කරන්න පුළුවන් වුණා මේක decimal කරාම 7 කියන value එක decimal positive 7 is coming. So here positive 7 should come, right? They are write down ones complement addition. They are under that write down. මෙහෙම ලියා ගන්න. In one's complement addition, you have to convert the decimal values to the ones complement, and add them together. When you want to represent, when you need to represent with 8 bits, and if you get ninth bit in your addition, within bracket put carry bit, so that is called carry bit. 9 bit means carry bit. Within bracket put carry bit, CARRY, carry bit, close the bracket. Add that bit again to the least significant bit, LSB. Add that bit again to the least significant bit. ආපහු එක LSB එකට add කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay. Now from this part, that's why I told in the beginning මේක චුට්ටක් අමාරුයි. නැත්නම් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඔක එක වර්ග කීපයක් එනවා. So you have to understand it clearly. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Doesn't matter. ඕන එකක් අහන්න, අහලා clarify කරගන්න method එක. Right? Okay. Take this down as example. Make example එකක් විදිහට දාගන්න. I'll take another example. Now this is something else. I'm going to add say 5 plus minus 10. 5 plus minus 10. So 5 I am finding here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is positive. Minus 10 is negative. So you have to find out the 10 first. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Flip the bit. 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the minus 10. Now you are going to add them together. I write here 0, 0, 0. Minus 10. Now I'm going to add that 1, 1, 0. Here you get 1, 1, 1, 0 again. Here you get 1. This is your answer. Now here you don't get any 9 bit. Carry bit එක මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. ඒතකොට මෙතන තියෙන 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 bits are there. So මේක ඔයා මුකුත් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ, because if you get 9 bit only you are taking it to here. LSB එකට ගිහිල්ලා add කරන්න. දැන් මේක එහෙම එකක් ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. එතකොට this is your answer. Right? This is in negative, right? So when you convert to decimal, මේක decimal කරොත් there's a different way of doing that. එතකොට ඔයාට උත්තරේ 5 plus minus 10 කියන්නේ minus 5 කියන answer එක එන්න ඕනේ. Minus 5 කියන එක answer එක එන්න ඕනේ. So it is coming when you convert it to that way. Don't do that at the moment. දැන් ඔයාට හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ in ones complement එකේ answer එක විතරයි. Right? Take this down also. This is another example. Yeah, you don't get any carry bit. එතන 9 bit එකක් එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා ඒක නිකම්ම තියන්න පුළුවන්. You can just keep the answer. Okay, I'll give you some questions. Write down like this. Find the values in one's complement. Find the values in one's complement for given numbers. For given numbers. All right, somewhere here. 16 plus 4. First one. Second one. 9 plus minus 10. Right. Third one. 8 plus minus 2. Fourth one. 3 plus minus 6. Last one. Fifth one. 13 plus minus 3. 13 plus minus 3. So I wrote here because I can work it out by keeping that මේක තියාගෙන මට මෙතන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන් නිසා තමයි මම මෙතන ලිව්වේ. I think all of you can see. Okay, start that. හොඳට කල්පනා කරලා කරන්න. Don't confuse. Well, first what you have to do first, you have to convert it to one's complement. මුලින්ම one's complement කරගන්න. එතකොට ඔයා දන්නවා if it is positive නම් ඔයා නිකම්ම තියෙනවා, if it is negative නම් අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා හදාගන්න. ඒ දෙක හදලා ඉවරනට පස්සේ තමයි you are going to add. That is binary addition. Binary addition we have done. ඒතකොට මේ binary addition එක කරන්න ඕනේ මේ දෙක convert කරගෙන හදාගත්තට පස්සේ. right? ඒක හරියට convert කරන එක convert කරන්න. Now if you get a positive value, the binary positive value නම් you don't want to convert. Convert can in the sense one's complement can just a binary number. You don't want to flip the bits. එතකොට ඒක ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න ඕනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්. Right? Okay, try to do that. Okay, first one 16 plus 4. 16 you can write 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0. Yes, right? It's a positive. 4 also positive. Add them together. So this is your answer. So this is positive value. So you don't want to flip the bit. Just convert it to one's complement. Because it's positive value. Then add them together, you get this. I think all of you have done it properly. Good. Next one, 9 plus minus 10. 9 you have to find out. It is positive. This is 9. Minus 10. Minus 10, first you have to find out 10. Then flip the bits, other side. And add them together, these two. These two you have to add. 1, 1 you get 0. Here 1. Here also 1. I'll write it again. I'll take this one here, otherwise confusing. Right? So I'm going to add that this minus 10 and the positive 9. So I'm adding them together. 0, here you get 1, here you get 1, 1. So this is your answer. That also you have done it. Okay. Then we take the third one. Positive 8 plus minus 2. Positive 8 are right here. Minus 2 are right. First I am writing the positive 2. Then other side. So I'm going to add, I'll take this one here. I'm writing under that and then it will be easy. Now I'm going to add them. So here I am getting 9 bit. So take it here and add them. So you get 1, 0, 1, here 1. Okay. So this is your answer. Actually, when you convert it to decimal, that is 6. 8 plus minus 2 means it's 6, right? Then we'll take the fourth one. Fourth one. 3, I'm writing here. Three. Then minus 6. 6 I am writing. And convert the other side. And I am taking this one here. Add them together. Right? So this is your answer. 6 ones and 2 zeros. Yeah, that one also you have done it properly. Then we'll take the last one. 13 plus minus 3. 13 I'm writing. This is 13. Minus 3 I'm writing the 3. And flip the bits. And I'm taking this one here. Adding them together. And there you get 9 bit. That one you have to take it here. So answer will be 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's actually when you convert it to decimal, that is 10. 10 is coming. 13 plus minus 3 means positive 10 is coming. I think you can understand that. Then write down topic. Convert one's complement values to decimal values. Decimal values. So now you are getting a one's complement value. So this is decimal value we discussed. So you are getting one's complement value, and we are asked to convert it to decimal. We'll see how to do that. Suppose I am getting a value like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? This is in one's complement. I write one's complement. This is in one's complement. When you get a number, first you check the MSB, most significant bit එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ check කරා. ඒක තියෙන 0 නෙමෙයි. පළවෙනි bit එක 0 තියෙන්නේ. 0 තිබුණොත් it is a positive value. It is a positive value. ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න, it's a positive value if it is 0. එහෙනම් just convert it to decimal. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා decimal කරන්නේ කොහොමද? අපි මේ වගේ එකක් හම්බ වුණාම binary value to decimal to the power 0 1 2 4 8 ඔය විදිහට දාගෙන ගිහිල්ලා you add them together. So here you get 8 plus 2, so 12. So this is positive. Positive කියලා මේ දැම්ම දාත් කමන්නේ. This is in ones complement. When you convert it, you are getting the positive 12. Positive 12. මට මෙහෙම එකක් හම්බෙලා කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is also ones complement. මම මෙහෙම දාන්නම් ones complement කියන එක තමයි මම මේ එක දාලා apostrophe එකක් දාලා දාලා තියෙන්නේ ones complement. Right? Now here you have to check the most significant bit. මේක check කරනවා. මෙතන තියෙන කීයද? 1. If you have 1 in the most significant bit place, that is a negative value. Ones complement වලින් වලට value එකක් දුන්නාම ones complement වලින් බලන්න first bit එක whether it's a 1 or 0. 0 is a positive value, just convert it to decimal like binary to decimal, you get the value. If it is 1 ekanam, it is a negative value. So first thing is you have to flip the bit. එහෙනම් bits flip කරන්න. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now convert it to decimal. මෙතන දානවා 1 2 4 8 ඔය විදිහට දාගෙන. Here you are getting 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 ඔක්කොම add වෙනවනේ. So you are getting the value 15. 15 you are getting. But this 15 value 15 is negative value. Why? Because at the beginning when you decide it's a negative value by looking at the first bit. ඔයා පළවෙනි bit එක දිහා බලලා ඔයා තීරණය කරා it is a negative value කියලා. After converting into decimal even, it should be negative. එහෙනම් ඔයා උත්තරේ දෙන්නේ -15 කියලා. I think you can understand that one. Write down like this first. Write down under that topic converting ones complement to converting ones complement to binary. Sorry, decimal. Under that, write down. When you get a ones complement number, check most significant bit. If it is 0, it is a positive value. And just convert it to decimal. If the most significant bit is 1, it is a negative value. It's a negative value. Flip the bits and convert it to the decimal. Make sure you are keeping as a negative value. මතක තියාගන්න flip bit කරලා හදාගන්න එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම negative වෙනවමයි. negative minus mark එකක් දාලා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ decimal value කරන්නේ. Make it as a negative value. Take this down as example, both of them. This is a positive, this is a negative. Take them down. Okay, I will give you some questions. Write down like this. Convert following ones complement numbers to convert following ones complement numbers to their decimal numbers. Their decimal numbers. Okay, take this down. Okay, there are 5 questions. Try to find out the answers and send me through the chat. I think most of you have put the correct answers. Now here it is a negative value. So you have to convert it to other side 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then convert it to decimal. I think minus 53 is coming. Minus 53 is coming. Second one, you don't want to convert the bits because it's 0, that is positive value, right? So 1, 0, 1, 1, that is 11. 11 is coming. Third one also you don't want to flip because it's a positive value. 21. 21 is coming. Yeah? So next one you have to flip the bits. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So there you get minus 90. Minus 90. The last one also you have to convert because it's starting with 1, there is a negative value. So flip the bit 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So it's a negative 120 is come. So I think you all have done it properly, right? So next week we are going to discuss two's complement. Now the exam even you will be getting some kind of a structure question from this part. So this part is very important. Uh, so we'll start two's complement and floating point number systems on next week, right? Okay, thank you. We'll stop for the day.